According to study stuff, it didn't say it was as prevalent as it was.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
What did you get for your birthday? Surprise! They're good?
Did you get cars?
Cars.
Did you get a shopping cart?
Yeah. That's cars.
Mm-hmm.
Did you get clothes?
Cars.
Are those blueberries or are they frankenberries? Whatever they are, they're delicious.
Mm-hmm.